Hindi ko nag-record. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to, another drive, and it's almost New Year. We're gonna talk about New Year's resolution, diba? Because it's that time of the year na maghimot tag resolutions and promises sa atong kaugalingon. Diba? And what do you think? Diba? What are your promises to yourself? Kung ka mag-lose weight, do you wanna lose weight? Do you wanna saman, imong gusto? Do you want to save money? Diba? Aghan kay pwede himo og promises sa bagong tuig. Diba? Bagong tuig, bagong kinabuhi man na. And unsa imong ganahan, no? Diba? Unsa imong promise imong self? And nindot na buhaton, if you wanna make a New Year's resolution, imo ginang isuwat, diba? Kaya na ginang gamay accountability ba? Mas nindot ginang imong isuwat para makakita ka. You should have one, we should think about having one big goal in the coming year. Unsa may imong big goal? Unsa may imong awesome goal? Kaya bang, let's say ganahan ka mo lose weight, ingnon mo you want to lose 50 pounds or 2025 or 25 pounds in 2025, diba? Or kung bugat yun ta, pareho na ako 25 kilos ako, yawa 25 kilos mura masag tunga na sako imong i-lose weight. Pero bitaw, kinahanglan nimo ibutang, we should have one big goal and think about it. It's not just a solution, make it one big goal. If you wanna, let's say ganahan ka mo save 100,000 in 2025, pwede, or 25,000 in 2025, pwede kayo 2,000 na ang buwan. 2,000 kapin. Tangal ligasan na nato ba, pero hindi na ito 2,000, so na kay 24,000, no? Dugangan lang 1,000 sa Disyembre, 25,000 na. Why not, diba? I mean, find something na ganahan mo i-accomplish para by the end of next year natay sense of accomplishment, diba? Natay by the end of 2025 na kay maingon ba, or how far would you go, or did you come close to 80% of your goal, 50% if you want to lose weight, for example, or if you want to earn money, diba? Ganun ka pagamyan imong hawak, wala lose inches, diba? Dapat na yung number. But yes, I want to encourage kita mo, encourage siya sa itong usat-usa. Let's have one big goal. Dili OBG, one big goal for 2025, and think about it and let me know in your comments unsa inyong one big goal for 2025. Ako for sure is I have to have nato akong binuang to lose 25 kilos in 2025. Kaya ka ha? Diba? Sige ba, pangimbit lang mga kananan na kaon dari kalami Cebu, pero diba? Pero kinahanglan nagi disiplina gina, pero dapat isuwat na nato. Ako nang isuwat kung unsa man. Kung ganahan ba maka save kag 250,000 or your first million sa kan na nimo. Pero imo kinang isuwat and commit to it and find a way, diba? After putting your one big goal, then you can talk about the how to achieve such goals, di ba? Pero magsugod yun na, it should so good start with one big goal, a vision. What do you want? Unsa man imong tumong? Di ba dapat natay dakong tumong karong 2025 bitaw. Man akong encourage nato na find out, di ba? Lain-lain matag tumong sa kinabuhi tingay basta kamo ganahan ka makapalit og auto, ganahan ka mausap ang kinabuhi, palit kag motor, palit kag bagong cellphone, or imong goal iPhone 17 or unsa na nimo. It could be also personal na mo na. Paniwang ka, ang uban kung estudyante, ganahan ka mahimong honor, mahimo kang cum laude, mahimo kang valedictorian, paninindot, yun ang lang na goal. Diba? Okay, labi na itong mga uban diyan na aspiring lawyers, di ba? Man imong goal, mahimo kang abogado, o katong mga board exam po, mahimo kang doktor, mahimo kang teacher, so, di ba? Or mo top ka sa exam, ayo. Dapat big ang goal, di lang mo na pag mediocre lang na basta makakuha ta, dili. Dapat imog yung butangan o kuhan. Butangang taning, di mo na fighter kay by the end of the year kuhan ako, di ba? Or pag graduate na ko, summa cum laude ko, lisod na kaya na kung dili ka cum laude level na ano. Pero mo na, kailan lang goal yun ang dako ba? Mutap ka! Di ba? Mutap ka sa bar, mutap ka sa board. And, let's see. And I'm hoping, and praying, nakitang tanan, we encourage each other to achieve that one big, lofty goal na in 2025. Kinanglan mo gila. Kaya kung mawa na nito mga goals, ano tayo mga ambition, ano tayo mga ganan ma-achieve, we won't push ourselves. Diba? Malipay ng kontento tas kinabuhi. Nindot man sana, pero labi na samtang bata pa, manatagkuhan ba? Inyog yung kuhan ba? You try to achieve something, diba? Habang may buhay, diba? You know, I'm not saying na succeed or di, from point na kung ano ba, if you come, let's say, nang kailangan lofty na goal ba, na even if you come just about 80% to your goal, bukuan rin hapon ka namang malipay ka, because it should be worthy, it should have meaning sa imo, it should have, you know, benefit sa imo, diba? Kaya kung tayo magpaniwang ka, it makes you healthier, mas gamay mong gasto, it prolongs your life, hindot na. O kung tayo nakatigom kag kwarta, it teaches you how to save, it teaches you sacrifice, it teaches you priorities. Diba? Kung tayo magtigom ka, kung tayo magdisiplinado ka, magtigom kag 500 ang semana, hindi, and na kay 5,000, 25,000, 26,000 in 1 year. Diba? And it teaches you a lot na discipline, na di kayo ma-forgo, na kay di pwede paliton. It teaches you to prioritize. Diba? BIR na, BIR. So, nagawas na. So, paano yung kuha na ba? Mag-prioritize ka. It will, I mean, diba, if we try to achieve a certain goal, dagan sa learnings, ana, it's a learning experience. Sabi na kung mag-monitor yung ka ba, na dagan yung kang makatunan about yourself. Diba? Our experiences are not gonna be the same, diba? Na mga advice usay na ihatag sa mga experts that won't work on you. Nasa mga supposedly bad advice that could work sa imo, ha? Mo nang nindot na imog yung experience, imong i-monitor, imong tan-aon. How did you achieve your goal? So when you look back, you have your lessons. How did you succeed? Why did you succeed? What made you succeed? Who helped you succeed? Nindot yun na mahibawan, di ba? And that time, you can at least advise people on what to do if they are trying to achieve the same goal. O mauna, pwede sa you'll fail, will fail. Hindi naman necessarily succeed sa itong goals. Pero, you know, we will see what made us fail also, di ba? Para unsa man ni kuwang bas motivation, kuwang ba, natintal ba, o di ba, or wala lang yun, wala kay disiplina. But mo na ba, hopefully kita kita tinabangay ta, let's have one big goal, di ba, for 2035. Ako tingay for sure, yes, one would be health wise, di ba, health and wealth, but health is wealth, so di ba. So hopefully ma-achieve nato itong mga big goals in 2025. Pwede gali ito kung gusto nimo 5 imong goal, pero let's start with one. And kada bang when you achieve that, you will say kada bang pakita gyud ng something na murag naging meaning ba na kung imo nang ma-achieve, doesn't matter sa uban wa ka ni succeed, basta kanini succeed ka. Di ba? Well, anyway, mo na ang atong topic for the day, and hopefully you'll share your one big goal. Let's share our one big goal for 2025 together, and hopefully we'll achieve it together as well. na ako gining i-monitor. Mana tong theme, OBG, hashtag OBG, One Big Goal OBG 2025, and we will, you know, we will always update na every month ako tang pangutanon if how are you doing with your goal, diba? But it's never too late to start anyway. So pero mas nindot yun na i-start on a new year, diba? So by the way, na tas Perpetual Socorro Hospital, ang lugar na where I was born. So money, yes, 48 years ago gano mana diri ko na tao. So indot na diri na to tong one big goal, and hopefully mana maayo ang inyong pagsugad sa bagong tuig. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope makahuna na tas one big goal, and hope we can, you know, make a difference sa atong selves, sa atong lives. So diba, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you na sa susunod na itong drive. And let me know kung namoy ganahan istoryahan natin mga topics na lingaw na ito istoryahan, or if you need anything, diba, mga good topics, or ganahan ka na may ruta na masuggest na where should I go, let me know, and you know, para atong suruyan na. Thank you so much for watching sa atong suruyog drive. I hope to see you na sad sa future drives na to. See you tomorrow. Bye.